configure, and now go to close the hatch thermal cover.
Good work.
Hatch thermal cover is closed.
Copy, thermal cover is closed, and you can now perform your translation adaptation. I can guide you through it, or you can release your mini workstation right from the bag. It's a good config. And while you're on your way, if you find a good time to give us a glove and a hat check, and same for you, Nick.
I'll stop right here and get that. Come on, both gloves have no change. Damage, and my hat is still dry.
Copy, Ann. Good gloves and dry hat. You're free to move on.
For PMM.
Leads off. Heading towards phase 1.
If you turn that corner up by phase 1, I'll double check that my tender didn't get caught on something. I think it might have gotten hung up on something just below phase 1 that you might be able to take out.
I'll check it out.
Thanks. Come on, I will take those settings for the APFR.
Copy, Ann, and those settings are gonna be 1, Romeo, Romeo, Foxtrot, 12. So clocking of 1, Romeo, Romeo for pitch, Foxtrot for the roll, and 12 for the yaw in with 10.
Romeo, Romeo, Fox 12.
That's a good readback.
Of the adapter plates, adapter plate B is about to be installed by her and her spacewalking colleague Nick Hague, who you see at the top of your screen, as we pass the 2-hour, 48-minute mark into today's spacewalk.
The AP Bravo into slot 4, locking out your reds, leaving slack, and Nick, you can assist as needed.
There we go. I'll do the red swap. You maintain control.
Okay.
And you can put your reds on the scoop, Nick, if you want.
Scoop.
Sounds good.
Just twist this. Full test, and we got black on black.
Copy, and go to full twist test and black on black. You can ingress this APFR.
And the cable a little bit.
Yep, I will. Once you take control of it, where you orient in the right direction.
Yep.
I'll
I
grab
have it oriented.
Okay, you got it.
I have the battery.
Okay. Bring it down. I'll grab this cable out of the way.